Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to take backup of WordPress website from Hostinger. But before that, you can get 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. Now let's get back into it. First one here, go to the hosting and click on manage. And at the side menu here, just need to find and click on files and then click on this backups. And basically, you'll find this option. So we just need to scroll down and then we're gonna click on Files Backup. So select this and choose a date right over here and then click on Next Step. And basically, if you want to restore all the files right here, just need to check the box right there at the top and basically click on this Restore Files. Now, once you've done, just need to scroll up and we're gonna click on this database backups. So click on select. And here, if you are hosting multiple WordPress website on your Hostinger, well, you need to find your database first. So to find your database, you just need to go to the file manager. Again, go to the Hostinger, click on manage, and here on the side menu, you'll find that option, which is the files right over here. And then once you click on this one, you can click on file manager and then click on access all files right here. And you will find this, all your folders. And basically just need to click on this public HTML. So double click this one. And we're gonna find the wp-config.php. So scroll down, find the wp-config.php, right click, and then we're gonna click on edit. Now you'll find this code right here. Now all you need to do, find the WordPress website database. So right over here. So basically, the only thing that you can do is copy this database right here. This is the WordPress database. So we're gonna copy on this one. Now once you've copied this, go back to the backups right here, and then we're gonna paste it right over here, and then just need to choose the date and click on the restore button. So that's how you basically take backup of WordPress website from Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.